So getting verified on TikTok can be a little bit of a pain because TikTok don't give you any concrete requirements in order to get verified. People get verified faster than other people based on whether they are verified on other platforms, etc. And if you head over to TikTok and you just go to your profile and settings, as you can see there is not an option here in order to apply for verification or anything like that. The only thing you can do if you think that your account should be verified and if you are getting people trying to impersonate you on TikTok and stuff like that, the only thing you can do is simply come over to your profile, go to the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then you will need to scroll down until you find report a problem. Click on report a problem and then you will be brought to this page here and you have an whole load of little subsections here and topics. If you can't find one there, what you can do is simply come to the top right hand corner to the little pencil icon on the top right. Once you click on that, it will say your feedback, and then you can click on the pencil icon in the top right hand corner, and then what that will do is it will bring you to here, and now it will allow you to send a question or feedback to TikTok. So all you simply need to do is, for example, just say to TikTok, I think my account should be verified. There is no option on my account. And you need to go, all you simply need to do is just go ahead and explain to TikTok why you think your account should be verified, because the only way to get verified on TikTok is if TikTok verify your account themselves. So what you need to do is just simply send a message. You could send a couple of photos of something like people impersonating yourself and your account. Once you have done that, it will be up to TikTok then to deem whether you are ready for verification or not. So that's the only thing you can do, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.